Well, Switzerland has, together with the World Bank, this is a co-financing with the World Bank since several years. We're in the third phase, and we supported with 10 million per phase for the Poverty Reduction Fund. We did it because we consider that this collaboration with the Ministry of Agriculture and Forest, with the small infrastructures that are being built in those remote areas of the country, in those provinces, which need the access to public services. This was a very efficient and practical way to bring a change in the life of the populations of Laos. And we have been happy to see with the results that the ministry has been presenting in the reports that actually, and during the project visit that we did, that actually this is bringing a change in the life of the people. The country has fortunately been preserved from a first major wave, but nevertheless the socio-economic crisis that is happening in the country shows that there is a great need still to support poverty reduction activities. And this poverty reduction also implies enabling the people to know how not to get infected by the virus. So we wanted to support the Ministry of Agriculture and Forestry, also together with the Ministry of Health, of having the people well informed about how to protect themselves and to give them the means to have the face mask and to have the soap to wash their hands so that they don't fall sick and continue to live a life as normal as possible. Well, Laos is still a country facing poverty, and unfortunately with the COVID crisis many people have fallen back a little bit into poverty. So this remains the main goal of the Swiss Development Agency here in Laos. We do it through different ways. One important dimension is the support to agriculture and food security, but we also do it through vocational training, education, so that the people receive the competencies, the capacities to find work here in the country or sometimes through migration and to live a decent life. So we're supporting at the economic level, we're supporting at the food security level, we're also supporting at the governance level to strengthen the capacity of the local authorities to provide public services to these populations, those living in the rural areas, or sometimes more affected than the people living in the cities when access to public services is at stake.
Okay.
The Poverty Reduction Fund is already a very well functioning fund and instrument. So what is important for me is that they really have their grounds into the field, that they go to those provinces, to those villages, and that they also listen to the people and understand what are their expectations, what are their needs, and they adapt their offer to what is needed. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.